Pô, essa parte é muito da hora. Mas é muito difícil também ao mesmo tempo. Bora.
So glad you decided to go it alone, Mr. Bronson. Shut up and shoot.
Olha essa.
We have to fight them all. I can set off more of the fireworks from here and help you out. Notice there's a lot of ammo and stuff around. This place is.
Cadê eles?
Hang on now! I'll get them working again, I promise!
Oh.
Stay in the light! This is pretty much how I always wanted to go out! This may be the most awesome moment of our entire lives! They are trying to kill us! That's the high point of my life? Really? Children of the Giant! God damn it!
Nice.